Hickory Bluffs is an active adult community in Canton, Georgia by LENNAR, and today I'm here with Shelly. And Shelly, I know that we have been anticipating this incredible clubhouse and we're getting really close. Today we get to have a sneak peek of the clubhouse here. So what can you tell us?
Greer, we basically have a room for everything in this clubhouse. It is huge. We have a room for a business center. We have a room for games. We have a separate room with a pool table, a shuffleboard table, and the list really goes on as far as the games you could play in here. In addition, we are located right in between our pickleball courts and our tennis courts. We have a full-service gym on the inside of the clubhouse. It overlooks the pool, which, by the way, the pool is amazing. It is zero entry, and we also have 2 lap lanes for people who love to get their exercise in by swimming.
And I noticed there was a huge kitchen upstairs where we are right now that's beautiful, but not only that, there's another kitchen downstairs, right?
There is. So there's 2 kitchens. The one upstairs is, like you said, a little bit larger. It's great for entertaining. Downstairs is located closer to the actual pool area, and the restrooms downstairs have showers, so it's great for coming in and out of the pool. There's also a TV room for the big game, business center, and a conference room.
There really is so much to offer here at the clubhouse, and I have to mention the decor is incredible. It's so pretty too. So I'm sure that there's people out there that realize, wow, that clubhouse is amazing. I would love to have that active adult lifestyle and to have a facility like that. So what about homes? Are there any available homes right now here at Hickory Bluffs?
We do. So that is some excellent news as well. We actually have inventory available for quick move-in. So you could be in a new home within 30 days.
Okay, so if someone is interested in learning more about Hickory Bluffs, what's the best way to do that?
The best thing to do is just to give us a call at 470-373-1617 or visit us online at lennar.com.
Well, Shelly, thanks so much for being here with me today. I loved getting a sneak peek of the clubhouse. And if you are interested in an active adult community in Canton, definitely check out Hickory Bluffs by LENNAR.